How's it going, guys? Today I'm working on another Chevy Tahoe PPV, and I'm going to show you another example how to fix the horn issue. As you can see, we've got nothing, and what we're looking for is somewhere in this area under this rubber flooring. We're going to have a wire that they splice into to hook up the sirens, and it's going to look like this black wrapped cable. We're looking for brown or tan wire with a white stripe. All we have to do is connect those two wires, right? I'm just gonna strip these wires. You can also put a wire knot on top of them to keep them secure. Now let's go ahead and test it. Check this out. And now it's fixed. Next, I think I'm going to be working on fixing my sound system. As you can see, I've got nothing going on at all. And also, I recently picked up a jump seat for this empty space area over here, which I'm going to be installing very soon. It came from a newer Chevy Silverado. Hopefully, it's just going to fit perfectly without any modifications needed, but we'll find out soon. Stay tuned for that. I hope the video was helpful, and if so, please hit the like button. Subscribe to this channel if you like this type of content. Thanks, and have a nice day.